with Biden and
Kevin, so what you just told us is objectively false. It is the case that the Biden-Harris administration was the most productive administration in modern American history insofar as influencing and passing domestic policy. You actually cannot debate that, as that is a fact. You can only argue that the policy they passed was bad, but you can't say they didn't pass any. They passed the PACT Act, the Infrastructure Bill, the Inflation Reduction Act, the American Rescue Plan, the CHIPS and Science Act, among many others, as well as many executive orders. They passed significantly more policy than Donald Trump did under his first administration. So, Kev, facts matter, and the fact of the matter is they passed the most domestic policy out of any modern American history in a 4-year time span. And I digress that you, sir, are nothing but a conspiracy theorist who denies facts and contorts your version of reality to be a cultist to the Orange Man. And it's incredibly sad to see in the big 2025.